Be a short demonstration. The GC30 ID 7484. Machine's powered up, servers are up. It's in wait condition. We'll do a quick walk around. Nozzle complement. PSV scanners. Backup with a Callan config. Back touchscreen is working. It's got the additional trackball, which is nice for programming. Okay, we're going to show it 0. We're also going to show the software revision. Now this machine has been upgraded to 8.5.6.2. It is zeroed normally. We're going to zero it again. Axes are quiet, bearings are quiet. Okay. It is completed zeroing. Very nice machine. Very good condition.